I'm Lita Albuquerque. I'm an artist, and I'm showing at the Anderson Collection at Stanford University. I'm showing my Stellar Axis Antarctica project that was done on the ice in Antarctica in 2006. And here we're showing the 8-minute film that we took while we were there. And one of the spheres that was aligned to one star, which was Sirius, and then two objects that showed what the project is about, what the whole concept is about, and a couple photographs of the work itself. Without that light over there, light is everything. And in here, there's many different sources of lighting, and so we had to figure out how to light the sphere so that you really could see it. But you also had to be able to see the film, and you had to be able to see the frame photographs.
Yep.
I mean, that's like that's on a bed of salt down to a few square meters here, but it gives you that sense, especially with the film that is then projected all the way to the floor where the salt meets the floor. So it gives it this immersive space. I really wanted people to feel that they're in the work, that they're in the site, that they're in Antarctica, and they can see what happened there. It was really an extraordinary experience, and we had to really understand what Antarctica was like, the kind of coldness, the kind of, can you even shoot there? What kind of film do you need? In an instant, you could die. It's that intense there. You're creating something so that somebody can come in and have a very specific experience. I'm pointing to these kinds of things, the geometry or the kind of, when you align to the star system, then there's this amazing connection, and the human then becomes the connection between the two. And I think we're at that moment. We really need to physically and individually understand that connection. I think the work speaks to that. So I'm really excited to show it.